Assalamualaikum all viewer and dear student. Once again Maqbul Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new algebra equation in the power of variable is exponent is 4. Very tricky exponential equation, we can say that in algebraic form. So x exponent of 4 is equal to x minus 3 exponent of 4. How we can calculate the value of x is unknown. So look here, there are different many methods we are applying. One simple method how we can find the value of x. Now look here, when the power are same, so one of the method is that one. When the power are same, so we are compare their basis. So if we are compare their basis, so one of the result we get, and here x is equal to x minus 3. In this situation we can eliminate the variable to each other. X minus x is equal to minus 3, so the result is both are 0. So this is not, so does not exist in this form. If one of the formula, if we have the rule x exponent of n is equal to a exponent of n, when power are same, so n must belongs to an even number in this situation. So there are two possibility of x is equal to plus and minus a in this situation, but here is also power is even number. It means that we have two possibility of x is equal to plus minus a and x minus 3 in this situation. So the first result x is equal to x minus 3, we have already defined this. The solution does not exist in this situation. So minus 3, the result is not equal to minus 3. But in the form of the second form, x is equal to minus x minus 3. So x is equal to minus x and plus 3. Now we change in here, x plus x is equal to 3 and 2x is equal to 3, and dividing both sides by 2 we get 3 by 2 is the solution of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.